All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to look at the quiz review, logic, and geometric reasoning. First, we've got to solve the following two problems below, or explain if each is an example of inductive or deductive reasoning, and explain why. Okay, hint the type of reasoning explanation is the most important part. So, what would be the next number in the pattern? 1, 2, 4, 8. What would it be? 16. And is this inductive or deductive reasoning? Inductive. And why is it inductive? Uses a pattern to solve the problem. Oops. All right. How are we going to solve number 2? 5x equals 35. Divide both sides by 5. X is going to equal 7. Inductive or deductive? Deductive. Why is it deductive? Uses known rules to find a solution. Nope. Because deductive and inductive reasoning are both logic. So you can't use that word. All right. We're going to read the statement below and rewrite the statement using directions for each question. When the temperature is lower than 60 degrees, my mom makes me wear a jacket. Okay? Write the statement as a conditional statement. So that's that. If then. So what are we going to write? If the temperature is lower than 60 degrees, then my mom makes me wear a jacket. Okay. Unfortunately, this is going to disappear. But I will rewrite that last one. Okay. So this is if the temperature is below 60 degrees, then my mom makes me wear a jacket. Okay, write the inverse of this. Good. If the temp is not below 60 degrees, then my mom does not make me wear a jacket. Okay, what's the converse? How do we find the converse? What do? We went over the definitions. Switch the hypothesis and conclusion. So it should be if my mom makes me wear a jacket, then it is below 60 degrees. Excuse me? Just so you know, this is being recorded right now. All right. If the statement wrote for question 5, is that a true statement? If my mom makes me wear a jacket, then it is below 60 degrees. Okay, so can we make a biconditional statement from this then? Yes. Okay, so we're going to use question 3 to do that because we want what's first for that one to be first for it, what's last for that one to be last for it. Okay, so the temp or temperature is below 60 degrees if and only if my mom makes me wear a jacket. Excuse me. My mom makes me wear a jacket. So you should be correcting your answers right now, guys. Okay, we're going to write the contrapositive. So a contrapositive is when we do what? We switch it and make it negative. Okay. If my mom doesn't make me wear a jacket, then it is not below 60 degrees. Okay, does anybody want to share out their own conditional statement? Go ahead, Africa.
If her blood mother and father are African American, then you are.
Okay, good. Anybody else? You need to have one for tomorrow's quiz. You're going to have to do stuff with it. So we're giving you the chance right now to make sure you think of one before you come in. So make sure you ask questions if you need it. I'm going to put the converses back up so that you can copy them down. Okay. I'm going to put the example of converses back up so you can copy them down.